Hey everybody, welcome back to Valletta's World. I look a little ashy. I'm outside. It's the cold weather, guys. I was not looking like this. I came outside and my whole skin tone changed. It's like, I think like 59 degrees out here, something like that. It's cold. So I am going to go ahead on. It is November the 1st, and I'm going to pull out the last 4 buckets that I planted of sweet potatoes. They are called Beauregard sweet potatoes, and they're blue bunnies. I got them at Lowe's, and they were transplants. I bought them already as plants. I had ordered some nectar, something with an N, you know, the darker purple yams, slips from Amazon. So I ordered them, and they said they'll be here in 3 days. Why? It took almost 2 weeks. And so by the time the slips got here, they were pretty much dead. I couldn't do nothing with them. And I tried. Trust me, I did. And they did not make it. So all these are transplants that I got at Lowe's because it was too late by then to start my slips. I didn't know how you did sweet potatoes, but you can cut them off when they start iron. You can iron up and plant those. There's some YouTube videos out there about how to plant sweet potatoes, but I was out of the time zone, so I had to just run out, and it just so happened I had been looking for the transplants at the store, and for some reason they wind up coming in, and I bought probably about 12 of them. So we finna take the last 4 buckets out. And the reason I'm taking them out is because when I Googled it, it said, I noticed some people have been leaving their sweet potatoes in for up to 5 months, but it says, in my zone, I shouldn't leave it in there no more than 110 days. Well, these have been in the dirt for 125 days. So I done went 5 days over the length that they say they should be in the ground, and it's cold. Oh, it was 39 degrees. I'm sorry, guys. It's like 40 degrees out here. I looked at my my phone about an hour or so ago, so maybe it's a little warmer, but it was 39 degrees, and our first frost is at 32 degrees. That's another reason I'm taking them out. So I'm going to cut this cucumber off this plant vine, and I'm going to get these potatoes. I got 1 cucumber. He a little crazy looking, about like this. I'll show you guys. So let's get started. I'm going to go on over here and drag this bucket out because it's heavy. I'm not going to have y'all wait while I do this. I'm going to turn you off for now, and I'll turn you back on once I get everything set up, okay? See you in a minute. All right, guys, here's the first one. Yeah, I need help with these. I cannot, with my disability, I couldn't pull this one out. Had to call in the backup. So, it's not that many vines, and they said when they start turning yellow. And as you can see, these vines are yellow, a lot of them. So we just gonna take them out. This is a 30-gallon grow bag. The buckets I can just turn over. It's gonna be different with the grow bag. So I'm gonna try and see what they, y'all look at here, look at here. Look at these. Oh, this is one of my best ones yet. They're not huge, but they're decent size. Look at that. Look at that. On this one vine. All of them came off this one vine. So that's probably all I'm going to get. But I'm happy because all of them are bite-sized. They're all edible. So, oh my. She was giving, honey. She was giving. I'm gonna set them all over here. I should have brought my little bucket, my pan down. Oh, look at her. Look at this one. All right, so that's a little baby one, but still, it's good. It's edible. I'm happy. I'm happy. Happy, happy, happy. And this one. They're all edible, and I can make sweet potato pies with them. That's all that matters. Okay. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go up in here and see if I have any more. I doubt it. Oh, my. Oh, those are the little ones I put back. Yeah, these are the ones I threw off in there. Yeah, ain't nothing I can do with these. See? Ain't nothing you can do with that. Well, I'm going to keep these two. Maybe I can do something with them. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, here's one. Look at that. Look like a little rodent. Nope, I don't think there's nothing in here, guys. No, yeah, here's a little one. I don't know. I wish I could get a big one down off in there and find these itty bitty things. Oh, okay, here's another one. They're not that big, but I'm gonna try and turn this bucket, turn this thing over, because I got a feeling maybe it's something down off in here. Well, don't look like it. Look like that was it. Yeah, look like that was it. There's nothing else in here. So that was off one plant, guys. So that was off one plant. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. So I'm gonna put all this dirt back up in here. I'm gonna put it in here on top of here so you can see. This is what came out of this bag. I'm not gonna be upset because this is my first time doing potatoes, and this is all that came out of this one. So I got 3 more to go. I got 3 more to go. And these is good enough to make sweet potato pies out of. That's all that matters. All right, guys, I'll be back with the next one. Okay, here's number 2. I got 2 more to go after this one. So let's see what she's giving. I don't know how many vines we have. Oh, it's one vine. It's just one in here as well. Oh, Lord. Look at these little bitty things. Guys, I don't know what I did. Oh, but I have seen a lot of people pull out these little bitty things like this. So that's what we're looking like. Yeah. So that was that one. Yep, that's what came up off that. I don't know if we did anything with this one. So far, nothing. So far, nothing. Yeah, so far, nothing's in here. Wow. Wow. I got a bucket with nothing. Oh my. I cannot believe it. Not one potato in here. So that's what they be saying when they say, this is what I'm getting out of here. Nothing. Nope. So far, there's nothing here. Okay. Nothing but these little bitty things. Wow. They didn't grow. This is it. This is what I'm getting out of this one. This one was a bust, guys. Oh, she was a big bust. Nothing. Wow. I wish I had got at least one. Yeah, she didn't give me anything. Ooh, Lord. Please don't let the other ones not be anything. Yeah, nothing. Nothing's in here. Oh, God. Let me bring this other bag of dirt over here and start pouring the dirt in this bag. Oh, that was a bust. And leaving it in there wasn't gonna make no difference because they're just too small. They're too small. Oh, let's get the other one. After 5 months, there's no way they should have all been that little, but you can't do nothing about that. All right, I'll be back. 2 more to go. So far out of 4 buckets, only one was a bust. I got at least 3 to 4 decent sized yams out of the 3 other buckets. All right, bucket number 3. Let's see what she's giving. Cut some of these vines off. There's so many of them. You need to cut these away. The other ones, it wasn't that many vines, so I didn't have to worry. cutting them away like I have to do with this one. Okay. All right. Let's see what she giving. Okay. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I got the two little ones on here. They're still edible as well. But at least we know we got one. We got one good one. Can I get an amen? Here we go with this little skinny stuff again. Here we go with this little bitty mess again. And look at this one. But that one's edible, at least. Oh. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. Yep, that's probably gonna be it in this one too. It's crazy how you would think I would have got more than what I got out of this stuff, but don't look like it. Look like the harvest is a horrible, horrible harvest for your girl. See, I'm pulling up these little bitty things again. So, yeah, look like it's gonna be a bust again. I got one at least, though. I must have didn't put enough fertilizer. That's the only thing I could think of. Only thing I could think of is not enough fertilizer for me not to really have any potatoes. And leaving them in there longer wouldn't have changed the outcome. That's what I have to say. Look at this. Look at that. I should have probably have planted them sooner. I don't think sooner would have made a difference. I think, like I said, I think it's could be where they were located at in the garden, not getting enough sun is what I'm thinking. Because these right here were up under my potato plant. Yeah, I'm thinking, and up under the watermelon plant. I'm thinking they probably didn't get enough sun, because the other ones, they were where they got a lot of sun. I was gonna give some away. I ain't got nothing to give to nobody. Yep, that's it. That's all I had. That's all this one is giving. Wow. Wow, guys. That was it. Look, that was it. Yeah. That was a bust as well. I got one. Guys, I'm gonna let you go. That's it. Done data, nothing there. Oh, this is it. This is all I got from that batch. That's it. All right, guys, this is the last bucket. So we finna see what she looking like. The last one. And once again, this one was up under my tomato plants. They grew over it, so it didn't get much sun. And that's the only reason I can think I didn't get potatoes. Yeah, because I'm looking at this. This is very small. They even sticking up out the ground. They're very tiny. I can see it from here. So it's going to be them little bitty triangle ones is what they are. Yeah. Look, see? Already. That's what they're giving. So this is a bust. What I'm learning, I can notice when it is a bust. Look at that. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that. What we gonna do with that, huh? What we gonna do with that? What we gonna do with these little things? Oh, Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Okay, we got one decent one. All right, she's decent. Not that big, but she'll do. Look like I said. She was trying. He was trying to grow. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We got a winner. We got a winner. Chicken dinner. All right, all right. Another little baby. Another baby. All these babies up in here. Look at them. I'm just going to hold on to them so you can see the mess it's giving me. Okay. So this one look like she's doing pretty good. So far, I got another decent one. Yeah. That's two. I don't mind them being that little. They don't have to be big mama jammas. So this one I'm gonna have to go through carefully because look like there's no telling what's up in this one. This one is like a box of chocolate. What Forrest Gump say? Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh, this one I done broke in half. Gotta be careful. All these roots is all over in this one, so maybe that's why they're all over. Okay, that may be it. I think that may be it. That may be all I'm getting out of here. Oh, 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 wait a minute. Let me be careful with it. Let me be careful with it. This one right here, she was, oh yeah, she was doing the damn thing. Hold on. Okay. Okay, we got a good one in here, guys. We got a good one. I gotta take this dirt out. That's all around it. Okay. I'm trying to clean out from around it because I don't want to break it. Here it is. I dug it out. This one is giving. She's giving. Hopefully she got some more up in here. All right. Even this one is it's a little one, but she'll do. She edible. Edible. Dirt, so that's why I'm taking this out, because I got collard greens and stuff that gotta go in the ground, and broccoli and stuff, my seeds in there. So that's why I'm pulling out these weeds, because I don't want potatoes going in with my collard greens. And I'm not buying no more dirt. I done spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on dirt. For a minute, y'all, I done forgot what I'm in here doing. I forgot I'm supposed to be in here digging for potatoes. And these are 30-gallon grow bags that I used. So they had plenty of room to grow. I don't think there's nothing else in here. I think that's it, guys. This is compact dirt back down here. I'm just trying to unpack it just in case a potato got packed down off in there. See, like this one was going down up in the bottom. Little bitty thing. So you just never know. Never ever know. Never. Okay. That's it. Okay, you guys, and this is that one. That was the harvest out of that one. Not bad. I'm not gonna complain. I am not going to complain. Next time I know to fertilize more, and I need to fertilize more and make sure I keep it in the sun and start a little earlier. So this is what I got total out of the 4 bags. That's it, out of the 4 bags. Let me put all these over here in one. All right, guys, so that's it. That's my harvest. As far as decent size ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 big, good hand-sized or bigger potatoes. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog today. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. Let's start over with that. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Carmelita, and this is Life After Retirement and Gastric Bypass. Please, if you enjoyed my content, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, and hit the subscribe button, and share my videos. And hype it up, y'all. Down in the bottom, my cousin told me it's a hype button that you can hit and hype up a video. So hype up my video so YouTube can share it with more people. Like I said, this is Life After Retirement and Gastric Bypass. And this is a part of my life. I'm new to gardening, first time gardener, and it is a stress reliever. I am enjoying it. So with that being said, guys, as always, remember, peace, love, and happiness is the only way to live. Bye for now. Okay, everybody, this is today's harvest, and I have harvested all of the sweet potatoes as of today. One bucket, I did not get no potatoes. Ugh. Anyway, but I am happy. First time gardener. Every other bucket, I got at least 2 to 4 nice sized potatoes, as you can see out of it. And then I got the smaller ones. The smaller ones is going to be great for roasted vegetables. And then I took the last of the Blue Lake beans off the tree. These beans here, I think they were bush beans. They didn't do too well. They started wilting, and I think it's because it was 39 degrees this morning. So the temperature's dropping. That's why I had to go ahead on and harvest the last of the summer crop. So that's it. I still got a whole lot of green tomatoes out there, cherry tomatoes. I may have to bring them in. They're nice size, but they're not turning red, and I can bring them into the house, and they are turning red when I bring them in the house. So that's probably what I'm going to do with the cherry tomatoes, and then pull those trees as well. All right. Talk to you later.